In a recent town hall meeting, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella addressed the company's decision to lay off approximately 6,000 employees, representing about 3% of its global workforce. Nadella clarified that these layoffs stem from organizational restructuring rather than individual performance issues. The reductions notably impacted product development roles, underscoring the evolving challenges even in engineering positions amid the rise of artificial intelligence, AI. This move follows Microsoft's significant investments in AI, including a reported $80 billion expenditure on related infrastructure this fiscal year. Despite strong financial results in the previous quarter, the company emphasizes the need for increased agility and streamlined organizational structures to navigate the dynamic technological landscape. While the layoffs are part of a strategic realignment, they have elicited emotional responses within the company. Microsoft Vice President Scott Hanselman described the day of the announcement as a day with a lot of tears, reflecting the profound impact on affected employees. These developments highlight the broader trend of tech companies reassessing their workforce and organizational strategies in response to rapid technological advancements and shifting market demands. As AI continues to influence various sectors, companies like Microsoft are making difficult decisions to position themselves for sustained growth and innovation.